Oh my god, I forget Kokina, but I have to Kokina for discuss about task of speaking. Sorry. Halo, Assalamualaikum.
Ya, halo, Waalaikumsalam. Indah here.
It's me, Selfie. Where are you, Inna?
Oh, Sophie. I studied the campus in front of medical faculty. Why?
Oh, I just to call you for discuss about task of speaking. Are you busy?
Oh my god! I forget. No, I'm not busy. Why?
When you have time for making video task of speaking?
It's up to you. I always ready anytime.
Oh, okay. Did you know your dialogue?
I'm not fluent, but don't be worried because now I'm studying.
Okay, when I have done study, I will visit you. I will prepare visit you in the. Don't go anywhere.
Okay, I will waiting for you, my beloved sister.
See you later.
Okay, see you.